Oh, seatbelt, 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 seatbelt. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now today we have got something exciting to do. Yes, we are getting new wheels for the E90. Had to have 2 tyres fitted, and when I went to get my tyres fitted they said one of the wheels was cracked, so I had to get that welded. It's been welded, I dropped it back off, so I've just got to go pick the wheels up now. So I'm going to go do that quick. We'll get back home and I'll show you what's going on, but I am excited to get these wheels on. If you don't know, the BMW sat on this horrible SE wheel, so I'll show you when we get home, but let's get excited. So, made it back. These are the wheels. They need a clean. But if they look familiar, these are the wheels that come off of my Touring. So they're like a CSL kind of style wheel, but need to give them a clean. But yeah, you can see I've got some really nice summary tyres fitted, so they should grip up really nice. Now these are the back ones. Gone for 255 35 18 for the rear, and then on the front I've got, they're in the car, I don't have them with me. This has annoyed me though. For the front I've got 225 40 18, so that's the correct spec for the E90. Oh, I'll show you. This was the wheel actually that I needed to get repaired. So you can see there, got a lovely crack, but he's welded it up nice. So thank you, Neil from Knoll Garage in Exmouth, or Budley, wherever it is. But he said these wheels are pretty thin, so they'll probably crack again. God, they're heavy. But yeah, get excited because this is going to be a hell of a lot better than what we've got. If you don't know, we've got that stupid SE wheels on the back and it looks horrendous. So I'm going to waste no time, get these on, give the car a bit of a clean. I'll get the car around and then I'll show you what it looks like before we slap these on. And I'm actually getting the windows tinted tomorrow as well, so I'm going to cock tease you a little bit. I'm not going to show you until that's done. So let's get these wheels on. So you'll be able to see how basic she is looking. Oh, it's time to change it up, boys. Time to change it up. Now, if it looks a little bit different in here, that is because I have fitted M Sport headlining, which is black instead of the cream colour like it was before. So I'll walk you around and show you everything that we've done. I've got my new wheels on now. They are looking sick. And yesterday I had the windows tinted, so I'm going to show you the outside of the car. We're definitely making moves. It looks 110% better already, and we've only just put wheels and tint on. Next thing to do is to sort out the paintwork and the scuffs on the bumpers. They look heinous. But for now, we're looking really good inside. The headliner all looks nice. So much better having black headlining, so if you get the opportunity to change a headlining to black, then I would recommend it. And yes, so let's get out of the car. I found a nice little spot where we can have a look around it, and looks pretty sick, I think. So let's get out of the car so I can show you. Oh yes, boys, look at her. Look at these wheels now, boy. They look spicy. So we've got the 255 35 18s in the rear with our nice summer tyres. I'm a bit gutted that I didn't do that on the front. I just bought some generic cheapies at the time because I didn't really know how much they were going to be. But you can tell, don't mind the scrape. She's looking hella sick, boy. Tints. So I didn't go super limo in the back because they put me off of it. The guys there actually said that this is a bit more of a factory style. And then we have got the fronts done as well. So not too dark, but I think it is slightly a bit hey where you're going. But that's how she's sitting. She's looking spicy as. Obviously the back window's all done. This side. Oh yeah, boy. The stance of them wheels absolutely make it. If you can't remember, they're the wheels we actually bought on the Touring, so I slapped them on. They've got that CSL kind of style. They are looking sick. They look really nice on the car. I'm hoping this shows up on camera, but yeah, that's how she's looking at the moment. Like I said, we need to get these front bumpers sorted to an M Sport one, or if we just get this one painted and get the washer bottle thing sorted out. But there is still some residue and stuff on the tints, and the windows need cleaning, and where he's been spraying the bottles and stuff. But so far so good. Really are happy on how this car's turning out already. It's just the front end lets it down. I have got a private number plate to go on it that matches, well, I'm hoping it's going to match the green car. So yeah, happy with that. I'm going to get some of those gay little mirror caps that you can get on it, but once the front end sorted out and she's had a wash, she's then look thick. And then next thing as well to do is get rid of this chrome around here, because it really stands out now that the windows are black. So that's the next thing to do as well, get that. I don't know if I'm going to get it wrapped. It's quite expensive just to get this wrapped. I got quoted 180 quid plus the VAT to get rid of the chrome around the edges. I don't know if that's worth it, or if I should just take it off myself and try and paint it. I don't know. But I want to get some spacers for the wheels as well, because it sits all right, but I think a little 10mm spacer will make the fitment look a little bit better. There's no need to change the ride height. Those fat boys at the back look hella chunky. Yeah, she looks really good. I'm very, very happy. It's just a quick video of how she's looking, but we are making moves on the E90, boys. Again, I'll show you from over here. She looks spicy. Oof, look at it. Nice. For those of you who want to know what the headliner looks like, she's all nicely smartened up, all black. I changed the lights to all LED as well, so it looks really nice in here now. With the black leather interior, definitely a must. Obviously, all LEDs up in here, and on there as well. And then I changed all the ones in the footbell lights. All I need to do now is get an M Sport steering wheel, and I might even try and do the paddle retrofit as well. I think that'd be a cool little feature to have. But yeah, so I thought I'd just give you a quick little video on what we're doing with the E90. Next video will be an update on the E36. There's big moves happening with that soon. That is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys are excited for the E90 and tell me what you think of the wheels and the tint and stuff. I absolutely love it. It's such a nice daily at the moment, and it's spot on. I can't fault it at the moment. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. It really helps me out and it shows me your appreciation. So as always, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers and gone. And I've been counting days to get